ads.txt WordPress. You can see a warning as ending to risk. Click on the Fix Now. Click on the Download to save a text file. Open your WordPress dashboard. On the left side, click on Plugins. Click on Add New. Now search ads.txt. Install this ads.txt manager by TenApp. Click on Install Now. Click on Activate the plugin. Plugin installed and activated. Let's move to Settings and you will see ads.txt option. Click on it. Now open the txt file which we downloaded a while ago and copy all the text and paste it on WordPress plugin and click on Save Changes.